We are working on a 1999 model Ford pickup truck. It's an F-250. I'm going to show you how to repair a broken wire in your harness without opening up that harness. It's a simple and easy fix. Stay tuned. So the customer come in with the engine miss. First thing we did was we went to put our scanner on it. Let me show you what happened. This scanner module requires 12 volts to power up. This is your OBD2 connector, and when you plug it in, one of these pins are supposed to be hot all the time at 12 volts. So what I did was I pulled a schematic, and if you look right here, the light blue and white wire is supposed to have the 12 volts on it. What I did was I went down to the fuse panel and I found the circuit that powered the OBD2 connector. It's a 20 amp fuse that would go right here. I checked both sides of the fuses and I checked the OBD2 here for power. The fuse had current on both sides. There was no current at the wire. What that means is the wire is broken. It's either burnt, broken, or cut by accident. So I went up under the dash and I looked and I saw where someone had been under there before and they had tried to run some electronics. So what I did was I went to the auto parts store and purchased the ARTLIST circuit. These things are really good if you're going to add electronics to your vehicle. And what you do is, it looks like this. You put a fuse on both sides. One's going to run the existing fuse and the other one's going to be your ARTLIST circuit. And you would take it and you put it back where the old fuse was, like that. You run your wire from here down to the connector. Running an ARTLIST circuit is a real easy fix. This way you don't have to cut open your existing harness and run a wire. Saves you a ton of time, very inexpensive. So after we got the new wire installed, we were able to get the snap-on scanner hooked up and found out that it was the #1 cylinder misfiring, had a random misfire. We changed the coil pack, took care of the problem. Test driving the vehicle, just as smooth as can be. Hope you enjoyed that quick tip.